Time for arguably one of the most iconic drinks in the world, the Martini. Despite what you may hear from the Bond films, this is not a shaken cocktail. This is a stirred cocktail. Very simple, and it's 2-to-1 spec of dry vermouth and gin. Now, before we begin, a disclaimer. Some people will say, oh, an ounce of vermouth is too much. No. The old martinis used to be a 50-50 mix. So if I were doing a 50-50, it would be 1.5 ounces of gin, 1.5 ounces of dry vermouth, and it's 50-50. But tastes moved away from vermouth for various reasons, and so the standard martini spec now is 2 parts gin, 1 part vermouth. If you want to go 5-in-1, that's fine. That's dry as hell, but you can do that. Same thing for like the vodka martini and other variations on it. It's actually 2-to-1 is your main spec. Okay? Let's get going. So I'm going to start with, I'll go 2. No, I'm going to go 4 dashes of orange bitters. And I'm using Angostura just because that's what I can find. Some people will say use Reagan's. I don't have Reagan's, so I can't say anything. Let me get my jigger. 1 ounce dry vermouth, 2 ounces gin, I'm going to go 4 cubes of ice. Let's give this guy a good stir. Take a glass and use a Nora. This is a julep strainer. Clear, cold as hell. And now, those garnishes for this drink. One is obviously the classic olives, or a twist. I'm using a twist of orange. The oil. That's usable. Wrap around. Give it a little twist. The Martini. If you like the video, then please hit like, subscribe, leave a comment. What cocktail do you want me to do next? Thank you for watching. You can find me on my personal YouTube channel at youtube.com/ScottWSmith. You can find me on Patreon. Patreon.com/chopless_ink for behind the scenes footage. Able to eventually, when there's enough patrons, have a live stream that will be dedicated for you all every week. And other benefits as membership grows. So until next time, thank you for watching. I will see you with another episode of The Beginner's Bar.